Hello, welcome back. Chicken Fricassee Caribbean style, meaning that it's using red wine and tomato sauce. However, my style of preparing this meal is designed to maximize the flavors. And I'm telling you, this might be one of the best chicken fricassee prepared. So go nowhere, let's have some fun, let's create. So here are the ingredients. About a tablespoon of smoked paprika, some black pepper, sea salt or any salt for taste, about 9 or 10 teeth of garlic, which are going to mince through here, about 1/4 chayote, peeled and cut into tiny pieces, half an onion, a potato cooked into, not cooked but cut in cubes, parsley, about 3 tablespoons. I do believe I mentioned the oregano, but it's fresh oregano, 1 tablespoon. And I have some sweet peppers, which is about 1/4 cup. I also have some grated tomatoes because I don't like to use tomato canned sauce. I have 2 cups of chicken broth. You can use water. And I have a cup of wine. I use Tempranillo wine for this one, but any red wine would do. If you cannot drink it, don't cook with it. I also have 2 chicken legs and 2 chicken thighs. Leave the skin on. And what you do is you grab something like this or maybe a knife and you just pinch it a little bit, put some holes. Not a lot, just a little bit. Then you add sea salt, and some ground pepper. And then you mix everything up together. So I have the heat high. I'm going to use some extra virgin olive oil. It goes without saying, by the way. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to put the chicken in. I want it dark and nice. Notice, as I said earlier, I left the skin on. Because I want the flavors to develop here. And I'm going to do this for maybe 3 minutes, maybe 4. But you don't want it burn. Just want a little bit dark and nice. So I did this for like 3.5 minutes. I'm going to move them out to open space. I lower the heat to medium. I'm going to start adding peppers. onions, mixing everything up, parsley, oregano, cayenne, I'll mix it up for a little bit, maybe for a minute. See how pretty? I'm going to add some of all the garlic. Ooh, smelling good already. Oh yes, looking good. Now you don't want the garlic to burn, so you don't want to do this for a long time, maybe a minute, 90 seconds at most. Start adding the tomato. I use one tomato, I grate it. Gives this a better taste. Let's mix it up. I'm increasing the heat to medium high. Time to add the paprika. It's about a tablespoon. Yeah, here it is. Listen to the sound of the music. Move it around for a little bit. Move it around for a little bit. Now you start adding the chicken because you want these flavors to mix nicely. You want these flavors to mix nicely. You do this for about a minute or two. This stuff smells delicious right away. Now what you do is you start adding some of the potatoes. Or the potato, because it's only one. So you're creating a mix of flavors. You're using the chicken to create the flavor for the base. That's what I did the chicken first with the oil to create that flavor. This is looking good. Now it comes the wine. I'm using Tempranillo. 1 cup. Mix it up. I have 2 cups of broth, but by the look of things, I'm going to probably need only 1. Let me see. Yep, 1 cup is sufficient. So 1 cup of wine, 1 cup of broth. Yeah, sometimes you have to estimate things. I had 2 cups just in case, but 1 cup is sufficient. You have to adapt in the kitchen. Let it cook. Let's put this in high for about a minute. And when it start boiling, turn it down to medium and let it cook for at least, I would say, 30 minutes. So it's been 16 minutes and I did lower the heat to medium low because it's halfway there. But I wanted to show you how beautiful this is looking. Look at the colors. The meat is cooking well. I gave it a taste. I'm going to give it another. Delicious. Doesn't need more salt. Although I always give it a taste in case it needs salt. But see how it's looking. The meat is, the skin of the meat is not pallid. It looks ugly when it looks pallid when you're cooking the chicken. Here it looks dark and nice. It looks professionally beautiful. And I stand by this, by the way. So I'm going to let it go for another 13 minutes and come back.